Verse Hazel.
Okay, once again, contestant number 1, Kenneth Abawuray.
Hazel, that's nice. Interview natin si Kenneth.
Yes, so anong feeling nakatapos ka na sa iyong song?
Success.
I mean, okay. So, I think we need to interview our judges for their comments. And sino yung assign sa ating contestant number 1?
Anyway, from what barangay si Kenneth?
My name is Kenneth and I'm the next Thai idol of Barangay Dolores.
Okay, taga Barangay Dolores. And who will be the judges?
Judge number 1.
Judge number 1. Si Hazel.
Good evening, Kenneth.
Hindi ko.
Okay yung voice quality. Wala naman akong problema. Achieve na achieve mo yun.
Oh my God.
yung ano lang, yung tayo sa stage, yung kapigalaw. Nakulangan lang ako. Yun. Pero sa boses, wala naman tayo problema. Nakilakit.
Thank you so much, Miss Hazel Castaño. Siya po yung nanalo ng Rizal Idol Season 3, one of the runner-ups. Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
So let's call on contestant number 2. May we call on Kimberly Olmedo.
Wala man lang mapaglagyan ng mic. Abot-abutan.
Patay mo na.
Stop.